Hey guys, here's a quick video showing you guys how to add additional pages to your website. So when you get your new InstaShop theme, it's going to have placeholder collections for you, and it's also going to have a placeholder contact us button for you. So we tried to think of as much as we could with giving you guys this super cutting edge interactive theme. So standard, what you see is just a home button and a contact us button. We have it preset when you add collections for it to automatically show the collections here. If you do not want it to automatically show inside of the theme, if you go to slide out menu, it's a box at the top that you can check off to not have it show automatic collections. But that isn't what this video is about. I got off track. Again, I'm showing you guys how to add additional pages to this section. So standard, usually you put your about us here on your front page. This one's a little bit long, but usually like an about us that's about 4 to 5 sentences, because at the end of the day, people have short attention spans. They're not going to read this long message. Nobody cares more about your messaging than you. So you want to make sure you're short and sweet. But she also wants an about us page. So how do we have a page here where we actually say about us? So I've already added the about us here on this website, and I figured this was a great time to show you guys how to do it yourself, right? So I've added the about us page, and then I've added it to the side menu link. So let's show you how to do this. So we're in the back office of this business website. I always like to have 2 tabs open so I can work and then go to my site and refresh and see what I'm doing. All right, so I'm going to scroll here to the left. The 4th option down says pages. So all I do is go to pages. As you guys can see, I've already created a page called About Us. And then you just go here to the right and it says Add Page. So I'm going to select Add Page. And it tells you some things that you can do as far as like what you can do as far as like adding a page. It gives you some suggestions like contact us, sizing, chart, FAQs. I'm going to add the FAQs. So this particular client, she wants a lot of information that she wants her customers to be displayed. So I've already went here. She sent it to me. I'm just going to copy this text stuff here. Control C on PC, and then I forget what it is on Mac. I think Command C. Yeah, Command C on Mac. So I just go back here and I hit Control V and I paste all the information here. So she called it her terms and conditions page, but I'm just going to call it her FAQ page. So there's no need for me to have this information here, right? So this is the FAQ page. So I just added that, and it has all her information to how to contact her. So I'm going to save it, and once I hit save, it usually pops up. Look at this green box here, and it asks me a couple different questions. Do I want to view it on the online store? Do I want to create another page, or do I want to add it to the store's navigation? Right? So navigation is here to the left. So if I click this button here, it's just going to take me here. So even if I forget to do it here, guys, you you still have access to do it here. So don't fret if you save this and go out and you don't see this little pop-up. But I'm going to do the fast way, and I'm just going to select add to store's navigation. All right, whatever you do, do not select add menu. Do not add any additional menus. Don't have a bunch of menus here. Everything should go inside of your main menu. You're going to add drop downs and everything inside. So do not select add menu. You click main menu. All right, and as you see, it shows me 3 items here. Right, I got my home, I have my catalog, and I have about us. But if you notice on the live website, I have 4 more things that you don't see. I have body wave, curly, frontals, straight. And the reason being is because it's pre-coded. I'm getting off track, but it's pre-coded through collections to automatically show, even if it doesn't show in navigation. So we pre-coded that, but that's just some pro tips. But back to navigation. All right, we're here at navigation, main menu. I want to add a menu item, and I'm going to select link, and I'm going to select pages. Now it says FAQs. Now if it didn't say FAQs here, that means it's still refreshing. So you want to give it about a good 30 seconds before it pops up, because sometimes it doesn't pop up immediately. So don't think you didn't save it. It takes about 30 seconds. So now I just click that add. I hit add here, and then now I can just hit save. So now it's going to show home, catalog, and then it's going to show my collections, because the collections are all connected to catalog. It's going to show all my collections, then it'll show about us, and it'll show FAQs. So if I go to the site, I look at it, if I see it live, it doesn't show. But all I have to do is hit refresh. All right, so I was wrong. So now it has the FAQ. So the collections show last. So it shows a home, about us, and FAQs. All right, so now we have the page there. If you guys want to know how to make the collection show first, go back and watch the video how to add items to your side menu, and that video will show you how to make these items look and appear above the additional pages. But that's the end of this video. Hopefully it was educational, but that's how you add pages, and that's how you add them to the navigation. All right, guys. Okay, I'm coming back real quick because I want to show you, if you've ever seen one of our larger websites and you were curious on how a more advanced FAQ page and how a more advanced about us page would look, I'm going to show that to you on a live website. So once you guys upgrade and you get into getting something a little bit bigger, and a more advanced, I'm going to show you a really cool about us page and a really cool FAQ page. So I'm going to scroll down on this site, and this is a designed about us page, and this, you can get this in some of our higher tier websites. And then this is a more advanced FAQ page. You can have the drop down. So just keep grinding, get to chase the bag, get to the money, and then come back around to us and upgrade. And also, you may want to turn on your notifications on this channel, subscribe to us, so whenever we're coming out with new videos, you can be updated when those new videos come out. So yeah, this is the advanced FAQ page and the advanced about us page. This page cannot be added inside of the InstaShop theme. You would have to upgrade your whole website. All right, guys, thank you.